Rewrite the imaginary part of z minus I over z plus I equals 1 into Cartesian form and hence gets the locus. Now it's difficult to tell what the locus of this is going to be like at the moment. When you get something like this, a good plan is to let z be equal to x plus iy and then see what happens when we do the algebra. So we've got the imaginary part of x plus iy minus I over x plus iy plus I, which is going to be the imaginary part of x plus I y minus 1 over x plus I y plus 1. So let's not worry about the imaginary at the moment, and let's consider x plus I y minus 1 over x plus I y plus 1. Let's multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. So that's going to be x minus I y plus 1 over x minus I y plus 1. And let's just put a bracket around that. And then we need to do some expanding out. So we're going to get x squared plus x I y minus 1 minus x I y plus 1 minus I squared y minus 1 y plus 1. And on the bottom we've got a difference of perfect squares. So we can just say that that is x squared plus y plus 1 squared. Now looking at the top, we have x squared. We know that I squared is negative 1. So that's going to be plus, and then we have a dots just there. So that would be y squared minus 1. And that would be the real part. And then we're going to have plus I into. So looking at this term here, that would be xy minus x. And then looking at this term, it's going to be minus xy minus x. And that's all over the x squared plus y plus 1 squared. So the imaginary part of z minus I over z plus I is going to be, so these xy's would cancel, negative 2x over x squared plus y plus 1 all squared. And therefore, negative 2x over x squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to 1. So that gives me that x squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to negative 2x. Now, we should start to see where this is going. If I bring the 2x onto this side, then I have this. If I now complete the square for x, I get x plus 1 squared take away 1 plus y plus 1 squared equals 0, which is x plus 1 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to 1. And that is a circle. The centre of the circle is at -1, -1. The radius is 1. So if we were going to sketch that, so we've got the real axis here, the imaginary axis here. So we'd have a centre, say here, and if the radius is 1, it's just going to touch the axis there. It's just going to touch the axis there. And then it's a circle, and this point is -1, -1.